Yo, what's up everybody, another day in Bali, and I just making the video about the Little Australia Part 2. But I'm gonna come back to this topic. I wanna focus so much construction is going on this whole entire street where I'm working right now. There will be brand new bricks, so the road gonna be beautiful and wider and nice, and the promenade is already like this one. They're using this good quality bricks like this one, and the construction of the wall is also going like this one. Overall, a lot of is going on here. I'm gonna get quickly to the beach as well. Behind me is the Mozzarella and Nixoma Hotel, and there is the public toilet, some shops around, and the beach situation like this one. A lot of Australian flag behind me. That's why I'm calling Little Australia Part 2, because I made already Part 1. Because you see the beach is full of the bars, beach bars, and they are, some of them they facing having an Australian community, obviously. Some of them they have Australian flags as well, like there for example. Just over there is the one. And overall, so much construction, toilets, showers. That's cool. This one is cool, and there will be something like a proper shop, maybe, perhaps. Actually, one of the bars have an Australian flag, people chilling, hanging out around, drinking beverages. And the flag over there also have even kangaroo with Australia. So this is not a clickbait, this is Little Australia in Bali. Going back to the street, I just wanted to notice as they have a nice wooden bins now. This is cool. I'm gonna tell you, it's changing a lot. So Mozzarella was there, this is where I started. And then there is the Bali Nixoma Hotel. Not too many people though, not either on the beach, not either in the hotel. And the classic Corolla here, still they driving here. They are older in Bali as well. And overall construction site, so a lot of is going on here. Hotel Nixoma even have a drag queen performances with free entrance. This is actually so funny. You have a drag queen and Balinese dance dinner, so you choose which one you prefer. But of course some happy families are walking here. Most likely they may be from Australia, actually, perhaps, because Europeans prefer Ubud, Canggu, and Sanur perhaps. And there is some interesting Bali Visata track. There's like a proper track regarding what they're making care of all of this stuff here in general. Look at this electric, so funny. And this is actually already going through the other part of Padma Burger Bus here. I'm gonna show you what's cracking around. Overall, this place had a better times. Now it looks like a huge construction site, but gonna be something cool. I'm pretty sure they're gonna use this empty land and all of those two buildings to make something cool here. Whenever they finish, of course, I'm gonna, as always, come here and show you around. Meanwhile, you can see the wall is like under the construction. The gate is totally destroyed. The beach is never gonna go anywhere, and so many material on the side of the streets, and the sellers in between, they never go anywhere. And the road is actually here broken, so if you drive some Porsche car, probably may be problem for you. In Canggu it's currently better. But the road's gonna be actually very cool here. At the construction site recently. And actually footpaths are not finished yet, so I just came. I shouldn't walk here, I should walk on the middle of the street. Or the best is walking now on the promenade by the sea. And I wanna show you what's going on actually here, because I got also a few requests to show you the establishments around. And of course, regarding Little Australia, Australian people likes to hang out starting from Kuta up to Seminyak 66. So if you're Australian or you want to be surrounded with them, around them, this is the place for you to come and hang out. Also the vibe is a little bit different here, and also Jayakarta Hotel seems open, and there's music even inside. Let's walk a little bit on the street, show you the establishments here. That's the coffee club here. Let's see how many people are today hanging out around. Not too busy, not too quiet. Recently it's around 5:30 p.m. This is my regular strolling time because it's not too hot. Anantara Vacation Club, also the bar here. 1-2 families probably enjoying the time, but not that busy. It was busier here, I'm gonna tell you. Let's see how's legendary path look like. Which is just stay with me. Kumala Pantai, special request for somebody. How looks the construction at the front of Kumala Pantai. here you go, guys. The construction, yeah, the gate is still under the construction at the front of Kumara Pantai. But I'm not sure if they're gonna build the road here because the asphalt here is pretty alright. But yeah, it's still under construction, everything here. And I guess pavilion is as always busy. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Take care. The boys in the other establishment recognize me. Pavilion here as always pretty busy. This is like an Australian bar. So definitely if you like to hang out around, they're gonna be busy. And Zanzibar, also nice place. Overall, this is what's cracking here. Few other establishments, food trucks, sports bar, the barrel, people here and there. I'm gonna tell you, it's not busy. I mean, you may, of course, I know some people always gonna find the answer for that. There's no school holidays, no holidays, tickets are expensive and other stuff. It's just simply not busy. Just I wanted to mention about that. For me, it actually doesn't really matter. I will show you no matter of what. I used to film here during the pandemic when even the access to the beach was closed. You couldn't even enter. I was walking here alone with the mask on and everything. So for me, it actually doesn't matter. I will be always around here and I will always make these videos for you, showing you the situation. But I'm honestly telling you from my personal observation, it's just simply quiet here. I'm gonna show you on the main entrance to the beach. It's really quiet because not even many people coming here. There is the Kokon Beach Club and everything. And then there is the shelter tsunami construction. They're building the main gate here. I mean, it's like a huge construction site. This is what you can expect, but maybe not too many local people. They had these electric scooters, what I was. Maybe perhaps I'm gonna go back later when I finish filming. And yeah, it's just construction site. This is it. And sunset gonna be shortly, actually. Hold on, where's my autofocus? Oh, much better now. Anyways, this gate is the border between Legian and Seminyak. It's starting 6:00 when I'm facing the sunset time, just there behind this machine. Everywhere looks pretty similar. A little bit more fancy bars on the beach are here, less with Australian flags. That's only the difference. This building is actually pretty tall, but like I said, I'm not really sure if this will help you if the tsunami is coming. Anyways, I'm gonna focus on this side, on Legian part, which is already a little bit different vibe. This gate is actually showing you two different places, two different villages, and two different vibes, but similar. At the end, you are just sitting by the beach and drinking. But with the differences here, you just hang out very simple way, more simple, sitting and enjoying the drink, with some Australian vibes perhaps, of course, like a flags here. You have Indonesian as well. And more generally, you just have a beverage here. I cannot say the name of the beverage nowadays. Can you imagine that? The YouTube is so strict. You can chill like this one. While on the other side, the beach will be full of the beautiful, colorful umbrellas and more organized and little bit bigger places, sometimes with the live band. So that's the biggest difference actually between Legian and Seminyak, and yeah, it's basically that's it. Overall, I'm especially showing you what is at the front of me, not much my face, and I just wanted to let you know there are some people, of course, and everything is going on. Hello, but overall, not much is going on. Of course, it's not that bad because there are some people here and there they're really enjoying, but it's simply not that bad. And also, this part is famous for the bakso, which is closed recently, but overall people enjoying their time like this one. And also going more further that direction, going up to Kuta, there will be more and more Australian flags and vibes. But you can see actually some bigger groups of the people here and there, they're enjoying, so it's not that bad, right? But you can find also a lot of empty places here. But overall, this is it, what I'm gonna tell you currently, right now, end of July 2023. Also, yeah, should be bakso, a lot of bakso here, but I cannot find. Oh, that's the lady selling the bakso here. Alright, so as you saw on the previous clips, all the philosophy of Little Australia and hanging out, especially particularly in Kuta Legian, I have to say Minyak, but especially Legian is the most Little Australia vibe, is that as you hang out with your mates, with your lads, often with the big group of your big friends, sometimes random chaps, and drinking and talking about the life or any other topics, often since the past few decades in Bali, starting from 70s, and basically since last 5 decades, basically that's how the Little Australia and especially Kuta and Legian was built. That's just in case if you don't know, and I think it's kind of interesting fact, because Kuta Legian is very specific area in Bali. Seminyak is already slightly different, Canggu is totally different, every area is different. By the way, I made sit like this, like now, just chilling, relaxed by the beach, and maybe I will discuss all the popular areas in South Bali, what is the difference and pros and cons. Let me know if you would like to hear that. That will be talking video most likely. Let me know, I can make it actually, so if you're interested, I will do it in this week perhaps. And yeah, I don't know what is this one actually. This is like a resting area. There's nothing at the front of us, no bars for some reason. Actually, this is like a ski yard, I just realized. That's very interesting place for sitting and talking. Maybe not this one particularly. I'm gonna face the beach a little bit. And well, that's it from me, from today. Hope so you enjoy. I will see you, see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care, guys. That's the sunset, that's the construction of everything. And it's kind of messy a little bit. They're really building everything, the new road. I just don't know about this place at the front. It's Melasti Hotel or something. Looks like it's closed again. And yeah, this is it. By the way, I don't know if you can see, that was Sari Beach. The Sari Beach long time ago, Warung. It was really, really cool. I think together with the hotel, but it's abandoned for many, many, many years. By the way, there is the nice swimming pool and everything. But it was, unfortunately, just next to Mozzarella actually, over there.